So this is Marvel Day at Sea.
We're here. It's
Disney
happening.
Magic Day 2.
It's happening.
We had breakfast and now we're doing this.
This is the best of both worlds.
Right.
Cosplay and cruising.
Black Widow, if you don't know that, you should know that. Black Panther, or Shuri.
Or Shuri.
Shuri, and Mr. Stark. And tonight I have an expo, so come join us. Cheers.
Thank you. One more.
Plastic's not gonna clink.
One more selfie this way.
No.
Hold the smash. Hulk smash.
Hulk smash.
It's not green though. Ciroc pineapple vodka, watermelon juice, lime juice, and what? Strawberry. And strawberry. That's right. And there's blueberries in there too.
I'm drinking spiked water. This is the adult section, I should point out.
Yep.
We got pulled into a costume celebration. I don't know what that means though.
We're gonna find out.
We're gonna celebrate costumes.
Am I in costume?
I think so. I think so.
They split us up into groups.
Original 6.
Original 6.
I know most of everyone is Avengers here, but our original 6. Then we have our Spider-Verse. That's going to be anybody in the Spider-Man. They're going to be right here. Any Guardians of the Galaxy or Doctor Strange will be right here. And then Unforgettable.
We are here to celebrate you, the fans, as you step into the shoes, shields and hammers of your favorite Marvel characters. The Marvel stage.
We were just on stage. Now Maria's going to be up there soon.
Make your way up to the stage and let's see what you're wearing.
Is that a Wolverine I see as well?
Oh my goodness.
Goodness, come on up, come on up. So many.
Yeah, Wolverine.
What is your name and where are you from? Maria from New York. And talk to us about your outfit. Who are you today?
This is actually a comic book version of Shuri.
Oh, very nice.
Oh, Minnie, look at all of their beautiful costumes. They sure are swell.
Super is what? Oh, come on, let's go over and have a look-see.
Oh, the great idea, Ruby. Come on, let's go, guys.
How about you get your cameras ready, everybody, and let's see a great superhero pose. Are you ready, gang? In 1, 2, 3!
We're going to go see characters now. And then shawarma after.
Shawarma after.
Animator's Palette. This is a restaurant we're going to eat at tomorrow, but for now we're here to see a big tree guy. That's me, Groot. What's your name again?
I'm Groot.
He's Groot. We are Groot. Entering the D Lounge to meet our fellow New Yorkers.
Can I see your guys' best superhero poses? What do you got? You're Black Widow. There it is. Amazing.
Hey, buddy.
Hey!
Awesome! This is so cool!
Why are you over there when I'm up here? No evil robots or aliens. It's a good day.
It is a great day.
It's a very good day.
Say shawarma.
Back in the room to get situated. We have that banner, that Bruce banner.
We met Iron Man, and we met Hawkeye,
And Goofy.
Doctor Strange, Daisy and Donald, and Donald.
Shawarma after.
After.
Hidden Mickey. That looks familiar. This is where the shawarma is, apparently. Here are the shawarmas. I will not be eating the pita, if you know how I roll, no carbs. But Marie got lamb and vegetables, and Shuri and I got chicken, hot sauce and tzatziki sauce and all that good stuff. It was so good.
It was good.
We're at a bar getting some Groot cups. Groot can't fit.
It won't fit. Oh well, I gotta hold him. I gotta hold him for the show.
We can't film this show, but this is Maria's old job.
Yeah,
Old
right
home.
here. This is my home. This is the Walt Disney Theater. It's like, yay. I can't believe it. It's awesome.
Cute show, lots of kids and interaction, special effects, wind, water, dinner time, and quantum dresses and jackets. The dinner line into Lumière's. There's our table. Thor's hammer. The Marvel dinner menu. Oh, it's a shield. Nice. Meanwhile, oh yeah, ribeye. I see you. Maria got the avocado soup. From the Black Panther category, this is one of the salads, and that's the Black Panther chicken curry.
Ribeye, asparagus, truffle butter, potatoes underneath.
Cheri got the Hawkeye, which looks like chicken, and sweet potatoes.
Oh, is it the Hawkeye chicken?
And behold my ribeye minus the potato.
Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your dinner.
Thank you. The other Hulk item was the salad, lobster, avocado. These are a few of my favorite things. The Bounty Hunter.
Bounty Hunter. There's a raspberry custard, and this middle thing is a key lime in the middle, and fresh raspberries.
That's what the inside looks like.
It's raspberry layered with custard.
It's like a crime scene.
Mew mew.
Mew mew.
Mew mew.
It's Thor's hammer.
That's amazing.
Made of towels. We're at the Tony Stark Expo. It's really a stunt show.
Reporting live from the Disney Magic, where in just a few moments, technology tycoon Tony Stark will unveil what he says will be the latest in his legacy of life-enhancing innovations. As you can see, guests from around the world have gathered for what some are calling the party of the year. But what else would you expect from Tony Stark?
Welcome, everyone. It looks like Tony Stark has prepared quite a party for you. You just enjoy yourselves. And don't worry about a thing, because it looks like smooth sailing.
Now to capture the excitement from every angle, we are streaming multiple camera feeds throughout the ship, so you'll be able to catch all the action right here. Let's check in with our video director to see if we're good to go. How are we looking, Earl?
Amber, we are looking great, just checking the feeds. Camera 1 is good. Camera 2 is good. Camera 3, perfect. Camera 4 looks good. Camera 5 looks... Camera 5. Parker, where are you?
Sorry, sir. Camera 5, ready to go.
Focus, Parker. Remember, interns can be replaced.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I've got signals on all the feeds throughout the ship. We are good. We are ready to go live.
Great! When we're ready to go, let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And now, please welcome the man of the hour, an innovator ahead of his time and ours, world-renowned philanthropist, technological genius, and your host for tonight's thrilling event, the incomparable Tony Stark.
passengers. Iron Man is officially on deck. Oh, thank you. And thank you, Friday, for those kind and completely unscripted words.
Spoken just as you wrote them, sir.
And how about some love for my incredible dancers? Who's excited to be here? That's wonderful. Because tonight is a triple threat. First, of course, there's me. All right, settle down a little. All right, just a little. Second, I'm unveiling technology that is beyond advanced and will truly change the world as we know it. And third, I may have invited a few friends. In fact, they're assembling right now. Would you like to meet them? One of S.H.I.E.L.D.'s most talented and intimidating agents. She has mad skills, she's dangerous, and I wouldn't want to be back on her naughty list. Please welcome the Black Widow, Natasha Romanoff.
Hello, Tony.
Next, we have the Master Archer who claims he never misses.
That's because I don't.
Show off. Here he is, Hawkeye.
How's everyone doing? Glad to be here.
And finally, a man who needs no introduction, mostly because he's been around for so long, I present to you the greatest hero I know, the Star-Spangled Man with a Plan, Captain America. What, no somersaults or shield throwing?
I'll leave the showboating to you, Tony. Where's Dr. Banner?
Missed the boat.
Thor?
No idea.
Vision.
Who knows? Visioning. What are you worried about?
Well, I'm just here to make sure your latest creation doesn't cause any global incidents.
It wasn't for the buffets?
That's why I'm here.
And, by the way, when has any of my creations caused any incidents?
Global incidents.
Did you really want us to count? I might need to borrow some of your fingers.
All right, settle down now. Let's get to the reason that we're all here. The unveiling of the next big thing. The device that will propel us into the future. The core reactor. A thing of beauty, is it not? My friends, this technology will forever change the way we live. The reactor is a clean, limitless source of pure energy.
Haven't we heard this before?
Yes, Captain Impatient. This is different. The core reactor creates power proportional to demand. It can scale down to power a car and scale up to power a building. And in between, it can scale to power a cruise ship, like this one. Would you like to try it?
No.
I think I heard a yes. Captain, would you do the honors?
I'm pretty sure this thing is a beacon for trouble.
Don't make me sorry I invited you on this luxury vacation.
Not a vacation.
Let him have his moment. We'll keep everyone safe and be here to clean up Tony's mess.
Well, we are good at both of those.
Exactly. All right, everyone, on three. 1, 2, 3. See? Absolutely nothing to worry about.
Except maybe for the Asgardian demigod.
Look at this. A grand gala with some of my dearest friends. And I didn't send you an invitation. I'm hurt.
Hey, nice entrance, Maleficent.
You're not getting the reactor, Loki.
Captain America, always straight to the point. But you're wrong. That power is too great for mortals. It shall be mine! Now, which of you would like to stop me?
I'll accept that challenge.
Hello, brother.
Thor, glad you could join us.
We'll give my latest. I was held up at the Shawarma station.
Wait, they have shawarma?
Yes, it really is quite tasty.
Excuse me. Oh, right. You'll never get away with this. Is that where we were?
We've been here before, Loki. You know we can beat you.
And you're probably right. But I am one to learn from my mistakes, Captain. Which is why this time I've enlisted a partner.
Is it just me, or has he become even more hideous? I mean, you really are ugly.
I'm here for the core reactor. I plan on taking it. Hydra, attack! Yes, sir.
Is now a good time to say I told you so?
No. Now is a better time to say I have a plan.
Captain, it's good to see you, Your Highness.
Was it just like raining up there?
Orcs are not the only ones who watch from the shadows.
I asked you to back us up in case things went south.
I don't know. This is pretty sour.
Behold! My Hydra agents have infiltrated your ship. It will only be a matter of time before it is ours.
Sir, back up. Have a backup. I'll head him off.
I will join. I will deal with Loki.
The rest of you, protect the reactor and take out those Hydra agents. Think you can handle them?
Hydra agents have boarded the ship and are attempting to steal the core reactor. Stark Industries' powerful new energy. Don't mess with me, I'm from the 305, baby!
Thanks. This is Rogers. We're clear. Widow, Hawkeye, what's your status?
Oh, you know, same old, same old.
Watch your six.
Earl, we just lost speed on camera 5.
Parker, where are you?
Wait, still cool. Hey, Hydra guy! I'm pretty sure that thing doesn't belong to you. Why don't you just give it back and we'll... Look out! Can you do me a favor and surrender? How'd I do?
You did all right. Thanks for the distraction.
Don't mention it.
We're all clear down here. Tony?
Hang on. All clear up here.
We have eyes on Thor and Loki?
I've lost Loki, but found some other folks. Let's see if they are worthy.
You know what? I'm gonna say it. That was easy.
You underestimate Hydra. Cut off one head, 2 more shall take its place. Ah, Spider-Man.
Sorry, no autographs.
I was expecting an awful bit. The only thing big about you seems to be your mouth.
I was gonna hook it up with a spa for a facial. It's never gonna hear if you keep thinking about it.
Playtime is over.
Maybe we can talk about... Oops, sorry about that. That looks delicious, by the way.
Tony, how you doing with those drones?
Well, there's a lot of them. And I'm guessing they're out here to do a pretty light show. How are you?
Well, you know, cruise of a lifetime.
Agreed. This is the best voyage I've ever been a part of.
Back! Did I miss anything?
You got Red Skull cornered.
Looks to me like you could use a hand.
Was that a good explosion or a bad one?
Guys, where'd Loki and Red Skull go?
I believe a bad one.
I'm on it. Guard the reactor.
Greetings again. Did everyone miss me? Hello. Are you ready to surrender?
Never. Spider-Man, you take the ugly one.
Looks like it's just you and me, Skull Dome.
You again.
Yep. Are you blushing?
You insolent insect. I will squash you.
Technically, spiders aren't insects. They're arachnids.
Enough of your quips.
No can do, no-nos.
Wait, allow me to explain.
No more words from your silver tongue.
Thank you, Red Sky.
Prize the weapon you have here.
It is. Now, if you wouldn't mind returning it.
I think not. You are no longer of use to me.
How dare you betray me! I am a god.
You were a god. I am the god.
Stand down, Skull.
Fools.
The Scepter's power is being enhanced by the Thor reactor.
Power, I am invincible.
I left you boys alone for 5 minutes.
You cannot hope to stand against me.
Are you sure about that? Are you in the middle of something? I can come back later.
No, please join us, Mr. Nurse.
You heard the Thunder God. He's Captain Marvel.
Your title is of no significance to me. You too shall be defeated.
That's funny. Remember this time I made you into the pieces of Photon last?
What? Fools! No one on earth can stop me!
Push you into the portal. Yeah, you are worthy of this one.
That ought to take care of him.
Where did you send that grotesque creature?
To the dark dimension. He and Dormammu should get along nicely.
Great. Anything else I can help you with? Power level like 14%.
Tell me something I don't know.
You didn't know that.
That's it. I'm taking out the sarcasm check. Hey, everyone. How's that destroy the drones plan coming? Mr. Stark, we can use the reactor to send a power surge through those drones. Their systems couldn't handle it and they'd be destroyed. That's actually not a bad idea, kid. Thank you. I'm so glad I could help. It's an honor to work with you again. Not the time for that, kid. Who has the reactor?
You, Thor, that's you.
Ah, yes, I possess Stark's latest beacon for destruction.
Is that its technical term?
Might I suggest using the vibranium in the captain's shield and my suit to boost the energy?
Yes! And Thor, we're gonna need your hand.
Mjolnir is always ready for battle.
Great! When Cap says go, hit his shield with Mjolnir.
It's pronounced Mjolnir.
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 Watch what I'm saying.
We don't have time for this.
Hitting that with that will create a surge.
Now!
Hydra is retreating.
Never doubted the plan for a minute.
Of course you didn't.
Great work, team.
Yes, it's always an honor to stand by all of you in battle.
Couldn't have said it better myself, Thor. I believe this belongs to you. I caught him trying to sneak away. This is not the end of me.
Oh, I count on it, brother.
Please let them be friendly. Please let them be friendly. Please let them be friendly.
Assemble.
Relax. Watching you guys struggle a bit there, I thought it might be a good idea to call in some backup of my own. Hello, Peter.
Come on, man. You know it's Star-Lord.
Wait, didn't you leave before me? Quill had to stop for something called soft serve.
I already told you, you can't get real ice cream in space.
I'm Groot.
See? Even Groot agrees it's delicious.
Since we were late, is there anything else we can do for you? Yes, actually. Would you mind disposing of this thing for us?
Wait, what?
I'm not quite sure our planet is ready for this kind of power.
Fine. Do what you gotta do.
We will bring it to Novacore for safekeeping.
Hey, okay. Wait, we haven't even talked rates yet.
I am Groot.
Oh, don't take her side.
I'm Groot.
Come on, man, you're embarrassing me. All right, now that we've gotten business taken care of, we've still got a party to attend to. You're welcome to stay. Now we're talking.
Hi, excuse me. Hi, Amber Anderson again. Is it possible we can get a photo for the Daily Bugle?
Sure. Where's your photographer?
I have no idea.
I think I saw him bravely fighting off some Hydra agents earlier.
Really? I thought he was hiding.
Really?
Not true!
Heroes, unite.
All right, everybody, let's get those cameras ready.
See, everyone? Like I said, we had absolutely nothing to worry about.
I'm not even gonna justify that with a comment.
Say cheese. Cheese. How's everyone doing? You ready to get down with the Guardians? Ready? Maybe something funky.
Y'all know me as Star-Lord, leader of the Guardians of the Galaxy. I love you, Star-Lord! And this is the lovely, and dangerous Gamora. Say hello to everyone, Gamora. Y'all, I know there's a Ravagers Club, right? Ravagers, Mohawk, you don't dance. Y'all want to see what I put together? Ravagers, you want to see what I put together?
Ravager.
It was crazy.
With a night at the Ravagers Club.
It was crazy. It was crazy fun. And now for the main event. May the Geekendz
be with you.
You want me to put the hammer down?